If you want to use Pro Mode on Samsung Galaxy A27, first we need to open the camera, and of course over here we want to go to the More section in order to find additional camera modes, and here we have the Pro Mode for pictures, or for photos. Now once we have the Pro Mode enabled, as you can see here we have a couple of different parameters that are available usually in the Pro Mode. And if you don't know what they do, then let me just try to quickly explain. So first we have ISO, which controls how sensitive the sensor is to light. Low ISO keeps your photo clear in bright light, and higher ISO helps in low light conditions, but if you have too high ISO, it can add grain or noise to your photos. And we can move left and right in order to adjust the ISO manually, and if you tap on this manual button over here on the left side, you're gonna switch to automatic. Besides that, you can tap on this eye icon in order to learn more about ISO in case you forget what I just said. Now over here we also have S, which is the shutter speed, and shutter speed decides how long the camera sensor is open to capture light. Slow shutter speeds let in more light, and which is, for example, good for night shots, but it can blur motion as a result. And fast speeds freeze action as a result. And here also we can move left and right to adjust the shutter speed, and you can tap on the manual again in order to set it to automatic, and of course once again we can tap on I to find more information about it. Then this plus and minus is the exposure, and this slider lets you adjust the overall brightness of your image. It's just a quick way to make your photo lighter or darker, so you can move to the left and to the right to do exactly that. And this is the only parameter that cannot be set to be automatic. You always adjust it manually. Then we have AF, which is automatic focus, or just F for focus, and it allows you to set exactly what should be sharp in your photo. Of course, we can move to the left to focus on small subjects, and to the right in order to focus on everything, also the background. As you can see, it can also be MF, which is manual focus, and if you tap on MF over here on the left side, it switches once again to automatic focus. And then we have white balance, so WB, and it adjusts the color temperature so whites look white and colors look natural. Over here we can move to the left, of course, to apply cooler colors, so this bluish colors. And if you move to the right, then we apply warmer colors, which is orange-ish. And of course, once again, tap on the manual to switch back to automatic. And that is pretty much it. Of course, in addition to that, we also have a couple of additional options available in here, which you can, of course, check out if you want to, although main parameter settings are, of course, available just in this place over here. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.